Welcome back to an episode of Quick Restoration, and I think this time we should tackle this. It's a nice little suitcase that I picked up that I think would be very nice to hold my camera equipment. I got it for free out of a dumpster, so if it doesn't turn out very nice, I'm not out anything. And it even comes with the key, so that's actually a pretty good deal. Looks like somebody jammed this old mirror in here, but I don't think that's original. And I definitely don't need it. Yeah, that's not original, I don't think. If it was, I think they would have it in there a lot better, you know? I'll keep it for other projects, but don't need it on here. You know, this says genuine leather. Now, unfortunately, it's gone south a bit. So I wouldn't trust this to hold my actual details. But it's still cool to keep. So I have myself some hydrogen peroxide, some water, and this washcloth. And I think the hydrogen peroxide will do a good enough job cleaning a lot of the stuff that's living on here. Some junk's coming off. Kind of brown. I'm just going to throw a bunch of this on there too. And I think that is mostly it for the outside. A little bit down here. It looks like that's going to stay there. Whoa. Seashells. Those are kind of hidden in there. I'm going to clean this up with the steel wool just so the key looks nice and clean, but not too much. I think they turned out pretty good. I like how the patina stayed around the lettering so it's easier to see. So now whenever I go on trips, I can use this to hold my cameras. And my film. That'd be pretty nice. I can also fit my digital camera equipment in there too. Maybe I should find a tripod that would actually fit inside of here. Let me know what you guys think. I think this was a pretty good find, and it's actually in pretty good condition too. I believe it'll be 1950s or 1960s. I'm not sure though. I don't think I really need to worry about fixing these threads, but if they ever start coming apart, then I definitely will see about replacing those. But I'm thinking there's probably other stuff underneath here, so this is more for decoration and for stopping scuffing, and not so much for the actual structural integrity. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya!